everyone. Today we decided to spontaneously go bird shopping, and you know how it started? I started to whistle, and then my brother started to whistle, then my mom whistled, and then she's like, oh my god, the birds can hear me. So she's like, wait a minute, why don't we just go buy a bird, you know? And we used to have a bird. We used to have many birds. Okay, our first bird,
before my existence.
Yeah, before he existed. Our first bird, her name was Katrina, and then she died. And then we got a lot of birds. You know, we've had a lot of animals. No, we've had a lot of animals in our life, and you know, I don't know if we deserve animals, but you know, we've had dogs and cats and turtles. We've actually had turtle.
And dogs.
Yeah, no, we remember, I don't know if you were here, but we used to have a turtle and it got eaten. Remember, Mom? Oh. Or did it run away? I don't know. I'm not sure.
How did it run away?
I don't know. We put it in like a box. Yeah. No, we've had a frog too. Mom, remember when the frog came in our house? We had a frog and it was hopping, and I was on these stairs. I was terrified. But yeah, you know, we're gonna go bird shopping. We'll see if we're gonna buy one. We'll see. My sister is not a fan at all of birds, but I don't care. I don't care. Alright, and mi madre is cooking food. Ooh, rice. I love rice. Rice, honestly, you can never go wrong with rice. Like, for real. Alright, this day was depressing. And I'm gonna go boxing later, so that's gonna be fun as hell. Guys, my mom is the type of person that will keep asking you 100 times how something looks on her. Like these glasses, and I keep telling her they look good. Okay? Or with outfits, she's like, do I look fat? And I'll legit tell her 1,000 times. Why are you asking if you're not?
Guys, please tell me your opinion. How do you feel like about the sunglasses? It suit my face or
it does suit your face. You look like a celebrity. Is that Gucci?
Yeah.
Oh, look, interesting. I don't like spending much on sunglasses because I tend to lose them. I don't lose them. I'm joking. I'm very responsible. I'm responsible, but I don't know. Gotcha. What's going on? We are here, everyone. Pets are us. And let's see if we can see the birds. Hey, the birds. Oh, they're so they're so cute. Oh my god. Thank you.
Oh, look,
wow. Hey, birdie.
They're multicolored.
Hi, birdie. Oh my god, I hear dogs.
Oh.
Oh.
Why this one is alone?
Over there. Oh, how cute. Oh my god, guys, we're getting the orange bird. Yeah. We're getting this one. They're so cute. So we're looking for cages now. Since it's a boy. Jeffrey, are we getting the blue one? Oh yeah, we're getting that one. Yes. Ooh, what are these? Toys. Oh my god, there are fish here.
Yeah, like that.
Oh,
Nice.
the fish. Oh, there is a parakeet. Mom, we're gonna have an orange bird. A bird.
So cute.
My sister is gonna be so pissed off. Oh my god, they're flying. Oh, they're gonna lose a friend.
Oh no.
No, don't worry.
And he lived like alone.
Yeah, the canaries are okay alone.
They lost a friend. I know. Oh, they're like bye. They lost a family member. Did it even have a chance to say? Did it even have a chance to say goodbye?
They're so chubby.
I know.
That one looks like a rooster.
Look, let me see. We got
Give you like a pound or two of food.
a
One bird for like a month.
bird. Okay. They're all staring. They're like, this human. They're like, Who got a bird? Oh, how cute. Oh, thank you. Hey.
What do I do?
That's funny.
Look at this.
Let's name him. Oh shoot, that scared me, dude.
Martin.
Martin. He wants to name him Martin. God. Hey, Martin.
So we're gonna
Aw.
welcome him to our house
Yeah, we're gonna welcome him.
shortly.
He lost all his friends and family members.
I know, but he gained like another family.
He has another family now. You're gonna have to adjust.
Yeah.
Aw, I like the orange and blue.
Yeah, I like his bright color.
We are your family now, birdie.
Hey, low-key, it's kind of like you.
Welcome to the Kassir family.
It's low-key kind of like UCLA colors, but UCLA is blue and yellow, but yeah. Ooh, gotta love LA. Gotta love Cali. Look at the palm trees. What is this? What is this? Oh my god, DJ Khaled. Yes. Guys, the guy that was working in the bird shop was cute, low-key. But wait, Mom, is that gonna last? Is this gonna last?
Yeah.
Really? Jeffrey, bring Martin, bring Martin, bring Martin.
Go from the other side. I'm gonna close the garage.
Okay, bring Dr. Martin. It legit rained today. Woo! And I'm gonna literally, okay. Ah, okay. Okay.
Don't bring it in my room.
Look at how cute, Jillian. Birds are cute.
Take that out.
Birds are cute. Jillian, birds are cute. No. Jillian, birds are cute.
Danny, come on. Why?
Jillian, who cares? The birds are cute. Say hi to Martin.
It's the dumbest name ever.
That's not a dumb name. Martin is so cute. Look at how cute Autumn. He doesn't even make noises and they sleep at night. Look at how cute. Look at Jillian. Jillian, you're cruel as shit, bro.
You're cruel trapping a bird in a cage.
Jillian, no, look, they already are in cages. That's just how it is. But now he's with us, and we're gonna take good care of him.
So stupid. Like, get
Jillian,
one in my room.
Jillian, why are you such a buzzkill? Look at Martin.
Cruel.
We're not.
Trapping a bird in a cage.
We didn't trap him, bro. He was trapped already, and you know he was getting harmed by the others actually because they beat each other up. So now he's alone and he's safe.
Friends.
Friends? What friends, bro? Friends don't bite each other.
Rough.
They play rough? What you mean they play rough? What?
Dad, let's see if we can go to where.
Yeah, Jillian.
Dad is mad, by the way.
He's mad?
Yes.
Why would he be?
We're on the same page.
What, Jillian? Birds are cute. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more hilarious and strange vlogs. And stay tuned for this week. We're gonna be going to San Diego for a festival. And yes, all right. Say bye, Martin. Jeffrey, say bye.
That's his bye.
Mom, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Look at the trash. Say bye to the trash. I'm kidding. All right. Goodbye. Mwah.